Hello, readers. Today, we're going to learn about figurative language. Figurative language are the words that an author uses to create a special effect or feeling or to make a certain point. Figurative language includes figures of speech that compare, exaggerate, or mean something different from what's expected. Authors use figurative language to make their writing more engaging for readers. We want to make sure that when we write something, people want to read it. Authors also use figurative language to create clear pictures in readers' minds. That's visualization. Let's look at 6 types of figurative language that we might see in text that we are reading together this week. The first one is a simile, comparing two things using like or as. I'm as happy as a clam. That's much more engaging than saying, I was happy. A metaphor is another type of comparison, but I don't use like or as. I just say one thing is another. You are smart. Is that very engaging? Do you want to read that? What about this? You must be a walking encyclopedia to know all those facts. That metaphor helps really make a point that that person is smart. Personification gives human qualities or characteristics to an animal or object. The moon follows me when I walk at night. Can the moon really follow us? Nope. But it does really help me to create that mental image of how bright that moonlight must be if the narrator feels like the moon is following them at night. Another type of figurative language is alliteration. This is when we use the same consonant sound at the beginning of words. Sally sent Susan some samples of soup. That would really make a point and really is a special effect an author might use. Assonance is a sound device used to repeat the same vowel sounds in nearby words. The cat ran past the man. What vowel sound do you hear in that? Short A. Sensory language is another type of figurative language. Sensory language are words that appeal to our 5 senses. Can you name your 5 senses? Sound, smell, sight, taste, touch, and feel. Look at that sentence there with sensory language. The summer breeze smelled like fresh cut grass. That appeals to my sense of touch and my sense of smell and my sense of sight because I can picture that fresh cut grass. So here are just 6 types of figurative language you might see in text that you are reading this week. But things that we do when we read are things that we want to do when we write. So not only do I challenge you to find some figurative language in text that we read together and read independently, I also challenge you to see if you can use some types of figurative language as you write this week. That would make your writing more engaging, and it would really create a special effect or feeling in your writing.